Here we are. So now that we have this thing, the height and everything has been agreed to by the key constituents, me and Rodney. We have completed then the final assembly of the chassis and the brackets for the mounting of the power supplies. Also, the wheels and trucks have been assembled and together. I did have to add a little shim in there just to make sure it was nice and snug, not too tight, but just snug enough. And they work great. The wheels spin great. And I've got one screw in my bracket to hold the wiring down. The other screw is on top of another screw. So, what I may have to do is put one over here instead of dead center, or maybe one there and one there. I don't know. We'll see. But the one screw holds it. It's not going to be a problem. I'd like to create some more holes in there for the airflow. So then I got to the top. I've got this bracket in, and this bracket is held in with 3 screws, and the 3 screws are up into it for structure. So that's pretty good. So now I'm ready to assemble the motor control board and the power supplies. Oops, I see now. I have to put in this new adapter, longer reach adapter here, because the soundboard is longer. Yeah, see, this is where the old holes were. There's where the new holes are. So this thing has been elongated about 5 millimeters. So that means I got to unscrew these boards, mount them onto this guy, and then fit that in. Okay, I'll get that done. Then I route the wiring, and I will put in the speaker and the clamp. It was here a minute ago. I don't know. It's around here somewhere. It's somewhere. I'll be putting that in, so then I can put the connector back on, route the wiring, all of the power lines. Everything would be going through the nose like it was. I don't think I'm going to have to change anything like that. And we'll just keep chugging along and get this thing assembled. This is the final time these parts will be put on this chassis. So take a look. Take a look. This is it. It's going to be stuffed with stuff very soon. Okay, I'll post this. You guys can check it out and see what you think. And I'm so glad I got the connector heights perfectly correct, so that all looks nice. It locks in and does its thing. And I did get a comment on my Corvette car. No, it's not for sale, Gil. Sorry. I know the guy that made it, though. He might still be around doing it, so I'll let you know. Okay, onward and upward. Keep 'em going. Later.